Hello guys, ito na ang ating tofu oatmeal blueberry muffin. I add only guys the chocolate on the top. Yes, yan guys. Yan guys. Ano kaya lasa nito guys? Diba? Ayan. Guys, ito ang ating menu for tonight guys. Ano yan? Chin hot tawag. Tapos ang ating soup, fish soup yun guys, tofu and tomato, and then this one ang ating oyster, and then talong. Yan ang ating ulam for tonight, ang ating dish guys. Tsaka ito talagang bunga guys, muffin. Kaya see you in my next vlog guys.